Hello, my name is Amelie and welcome back to another video of Rey and Padmé's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make super easy ice creams. You'll be needing some yogurt, preferably the one that matches your fruit, but since today we're going to be making a banana one, I'm going to be using passion fruit, mango and vanilla. Some ice cream molds, some bananas, and a spoon. First, get your ice cream mold and the yogurt and scoop some yogurt inside one of the molds. Puff it down a bit so it's spread nicely. Then take some banana and put it in. You shouldn't add it in too thick, otherwise it will be untasty. Then scoop in some more yogurt. Then flatten it down again. Repeat. Put in some banana, puff it down a bit, and add in some yogurt. You shouldn't add it too full, otherwise it would blow up the whole ice cream. Then take one of your sticks and put it in. Now you have one ice cream done. Put them in the freezer when you're finished. Put them in the freezer when you're finished. Don't even